Let's make another one of my favorite weeknight dinners, oven-baked mojo chicken. We start by washing the chicken with some sour orange juice, white vinegar, a lot of salt, but don't worry about it, and the limes from the marinade. Then we add a lot of water, enough to completely cover the chicken, and let that soak for about 10 minutes. The marinade, we need sour orange juice, lime juice, achiote oil, feel free to use olive if you don't have it, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, ground turmeric, I like putting it in mine, chili powder, ground cumin, cayenne pepper, oregano, about 2 teaspoons of salt, not a whole lot, and of course black pepper. Then mix that all together until it's thoroughly combined. Put the rinsed chicken into a Ziploc bag. I find this is the easiest way to marinate meats without getting my hands dirty. And pour that marinade all over it. When closing the bag, try to squeeze out as much air as possible and then massage that marinade in. Marinate it overnight if possible, but at least 4 hours. In a hot pan, I added more achiote oil, but feel free to use olive. And then I browned my chicken on both sides. It doesn't have to cook too long, we just need some color. If you find your chicken browning too quickly, just turn down the heat. Once the chicken is done browning, remove it to a foil pan. And then pour that leftover marinade all over it. We don't waste anything around here. Then cover it with foil. You're gonna bake it covered at 365 degrees for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, you're gonna take off the foil covering it and bake it for another 20 minutes. And there you have it. This was tender, it was juicy, it was moist, and went absolutely perfectly with that arroz.